Hi, I'm Tom. In this video, we will be looking at the web control options of the R2. The first is a web interface that comes built into the device, and the other is the AUDAC Touch app. First, we will be looking at the web interface. After logging in, you will see the main screen. Here you have the mute buttons, volume sliders, input selection, and zone indication. We can highlight the text Zone 1 and replace it with whatever text we wish. A simple left click on the zone is mute. If we click on the box, it says Input 1. Now we can see the quick drop-down menu. Here we can select an input to use for this zone. If we want to, we can turn some of these inputs off. Why would this be useful? Well, this menu is used by the DW3020 wall panel. Any input set to off, the wall panel will be skipped as you scroll through the inputs. Now, moving into the setup screen. Timer setting. Here you can set up a list of automatic functions such as muting. This is only one example. Please visit the demo web interface to see more. Paging volume. You can adjust the paging level for each zone. In this way, you can set the volume lower of an office and higher for a workspace, for example. Priority settings. Any 4 inputs can be used as a priority, making it very flexible. The trigger is also flexible. System configuration. Paging for APM setup, DW5066, zone, input, screensaver selection, and function blocking, DW3020. Fiber settings. When linking the R2 to other devices via the opt2, you can place up to 8 audio inputs onto the fiber. Now let's have a look at AUDAC Touch, the winner of the Best Show Award of 2017. Now, this is a totally different way to control the device. For a detailed look at the AUDAC Touch, please visit the AUDAC website. But let me talk briefly about it now, so you can get an understanding of its capabilities. The app is widget-based. Let's look at a selection of these widgets that can be used with the R2. Starting off with Input Selection widget. This widget controls the input selection of one zone. The selection option matches the quick menu on the matrix for that specific zone. Mute widget. Now this widget simply mutes that zone that it's set to control. Volume widget. This widget will provide you with a volume slider to a given zone. Nice when you only have one input or you simply do not want other users to change the input. Zone name widget. This displays the name of the given zone. It can be used in combination with any of the widgets we have just talked about. And last, the zone widget. This is an all-in-one widget, including the ones that we've just talked about: input, volume, name, and mute. The default dashboards use these widgets.